The last subdivision in this exercise, 11th subdivision, very critical sum. We need to do this sum very carefully. Solution: let I is equal to integration of 0 to pi x, open the bracket, sine square of sin x plus cos square of cos x, close the bracket, into dx. So I am going to use the property. This property is well known for you. We have used many times. The same property I am going to use here. What is the property? The property is nothing but 0 to a, we got x here. So once we got x here, what is the property we use always? X into f of x into dx. X into f of x into dx is nothing. How we can write? A by 2 integration of 0 to a f of x into dx. But what is the condition we need to apply? F of a minus x. F of a minus x is equal to f of x. This is the condition we applied. X into f of x into dx is equal to, we can write here a is nothing but pi. A is nothing but pi. We need to write pi by 2 f of, but condition f of a minus x is equal to f of x. This is a condition. This condition we need to solve properly, then only we can apply this property. Otherwise, if f of a minus x is equal to f of x, then only I can apply this property. Here a is nothing but pi. So I am going to assume I will assume here also, let f of x is equal to, I put here, let f of x is equal to, what is f of x? Sine square of sin x plus cos square of cos x. So here a minus x, what is here? Pi minus x. Therefore sine square of sine pi minus x plus cos square of cos pi minus x. Therefore sine square sine pi minus x, sine 180 minus theta is once again sin x only, no problem, plus cos square 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, so right, minus cos x. So sine square of sin x plus, since a square is present, this minus will become plus. So how I can write? Cos square of cos x. So this will be f of a minus x, that is pi minus x. Since f of pi minus x is equal to, this is our f of x. So f of pi minus x nothing but f of x. So I can apply this property. Therefore I is equal to a by 2. A is pi, no? Pi by 2. Integration of 0 to pi. This x will be goes on. So how I can write? Sine square of sin x plus cos square of cos x, close the bracket, into dx. Since f of pi minus x is equal to, this is f of x, no, f of x, we can apply this property. We apply the property. Since I am going to apply the property, since what is the property I am going to assume is nothing but another property. This is odd or even property. You know, integration of f of x into dx, we have two values, one is 0, another is 2 into f of x into dx, So these have conditions. What is the condition? This one condition is nothing but when f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, or f of minus x is equal to f of x. If you are going to see, I applied here f of pi minus x. Once again, what is x here? Here x is remain nothing but pi, no? Pi. So no problem. This is not changing. From this itself we have found this is not changing. So this will not come. If it comes minus means I can apply straightly as 0. But it's not coming minus here. So this formula we need to apply 2 into f of x. But what is the limit given here? This limit is 0 to 2a, means I need to write 0 to a, that's all. 0 to 2 means 0 to a. I need to multiply with 2. This is odd value, 0 to 2. So since it's not changing here, I can apply this property straightly here. What is the property here? See here, I put I is equal to pi by 2. I can multiply with 2, integration of this I need to divide by 2. Pi by 2. what becomes sine square of sin x plus cos square of cos x close the bracket into dx. This is a property. What is the property here? If 0 to 2 means I need to put a, no, divide by 2. 2a by 2 is 2. Pi means pi by 2 into dx. 2 to gets cancelled. Therefore, I is equal to put pi outside. Pi outside 0 to pi by 2 sine square of sin x plus cos square of cos x close the bracket dx. Keep it as equation 1. This must, because very useful for us. Keep it as equation 1. We know another property. What is another property? F of x into dx 0 to a. How we will write? F of a minus x into dx 0 to a. F of a minus x. F of a minus x. A comes here. A minus x. A minus x. Here what is a here? Pi by 2. So write I is equal to pi. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine square, open the bracket, sine of, in place of x, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x, close the bracket, plus cos square, cos of pi by 2 minus x into dx. In place of x, pi by 2 minus x, in place of x, pi by 2 minus x. I is equal to pi. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine square, sine 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta, plus cos square, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, sin x into dx. Keep it as equation 2. So 1 plus 2. What is 1 here? This is 1. What is 2 here? This is 2. I plus I, 2y. Pi and pi is common. Take pi outside. No problem. Dx outside. We need to add sine square sin x, cos square sin x. First we will add this one. Sine square sin x. Here this one. Plus cos square sin x. First we make addition. This one add, next this one, sine square cos x, sine square cos x plus cos square cos x. Put the whole bracket as dx. See, sine square sin x plus sine square sin x plus cos square cos x. Next, sine square cos x plus cos square sin x. The 4 values I have arranged in the way we get the answer very easily. Sine square sin x, cos square sin x, sine square cos x, cos square cos x. We know the formula. What is the formula? We know the formula. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The theta should be same. The theta should be same. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. The theta is sine, no problem. Sine square sin x plus nothing but answer is 1. Pi 1. The same here also. Sin theta is same. Cos square cos x. Sin square plus cos square. Same. 1 plus 1 into dx. The limit is nothing but 0 to pi by 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here 2 is already present. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 pi. Already pi is present. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 I can throw outside. Dx limit 0 to pi by 2. 2i is equal to 2i is equal to 2 pi. Integration of dx is x. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. This 2 we can cancel. So I is equal to pi. Apply upper limit. Upper limit is pi by 2. Upper limit is pi by 2. Lower limit is 0. So pi into pi by 2. I is nothing but pi into pi. Pi square by 2. This is the required answer for this sum. The properties very, see how much properties, how many calculations we have deriving here. If we can't able to know this, we can't able to solve this sum. So do this sum very effectively. Thank you.